Have you ever checked your bank account and thought, wow, that's not just low, that's delete my Uber Eats app, low. Now imagine this. 21 days from today, your account shows $10,000. No magic, no crypto gambling, no fluff. Just a simple, high-leverage plan. And the best part? You can start with just $100, even if you've never made a dime online before. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. Most people stay broke, not because they lack money, but because they lack momentum. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build it. Fast. 3 strategic steps, each one crafted to flip fear into focus and effort into income. So grab your coffee, put your phone on Do Not Disturb, and listen closely. Because by the end of this video, you won't just believe it's possible, you'll know exactly how to do it. Step 1. Mindset not equal to motivation. It's strategy. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to manifest money while binge watching Netflix? Yeah, me too. But here's the harsh truth. Wealth doesn't come to those who hope. It comes to those who move. To turn $100 into $10,000, your first job isn't to do, it's to think differently. You're not spending $100. You're buying a seed, one that grows with action, discipline, and strategy. So first, identify a high ROI skill you can flip fast. Freelance writing, AI content services, TikTok ad editing, digital flipping. No excuses. YouTube University is free. Remember, the difference between broke and ballin' is often just knowing how to sell something valuable. But what do you do once you've got a skill? Well, now it's time to build your first real win. Stick with me, because the next step is what turns effort into exponential results. Step 2. Launch a 3-day offer challenge. Here's where most people get stuck. They learn, but never earn. So we flip it. We launch. Take your new skill. Package it into a 3-day cash engine. This could be a 99 mini offer on Fiverr, a 47 digital template on Gumroad, a free lead magnet that builds trust and leads to high-ticket services. Day 1. Build your offer. Day 2. Promote with organic content. Reddit, TikTok, Instagram Reels, local Facebook groups. Day 3. Pitch, close, deliver. Sounds fast? It is. Because speed creates pressure, and pressure creates breakthroughs. Let's be real. If you had 72 hours to make your rent, you'd figure it out, right? This is that, but by design. And what happens if it works? Well, then you take that $300, and now we start compounding. But hold on, because the next step is where things get crazy. Step 3. Scale with the viral loop method. You've got to win. Now you scale the system. Reinvest 50% of every dollar into automating outreach, running $5 per day ads, getting a virtual assistant from overseas to handle DMs, or using AI tools to triple your speed. Then turn your success into content. People don't buy services, they buy stories. So post your journey. Share what you learn. Be the case study. Suddenly, strangers are DMing you asking for help. That's your moment. Turn knowledge into coaching, templates into toolkits, services into systems. Now you're not just chasing money. You've built a machine that attracts it. And that's how $100 becomes $10,000 in 21 days. But what if I told you the real flex isn't the money? It's the freedom to wake up when you want, work with who you want, and never again wonder if your life is going to be just average. Hit subscribe, drop a fire in the comments if you're ready to break the cycle, and remember this, your first $10,000 isn't about luck. It's about leverage. Let's get to work.